What's up guys, it's a Cloud here, and American Express has been paving the road with some juicy, thick sign-up bonuses lately, and Chase is not happy about it. So they recently upped the sign-up bonus again for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card to 80,000 points after you spend $4,000 in 3 months. But I'm here to help you figure out if it's still worth that $95 annual fee. Let's take a look at this card. It's a pretty nice metal designed card with this deep blue finish. It's like the view of the ocean, the deep blue ocean when you're flying over the Pacific using this travel card. That's how you got there in the first place. It's a travel card, and we'll be talking more of that later in this video. Last thing about this card is it does have a chip like pretty much every card does, and the numbers are in the back, which makes it look a lot cleaner and fancier on the front. As I mentioned earlier, there is a sign-up bonus going on right now of 80,000 points after, of course, you spend the $4,000 in 3 months on this card. To give you an idea, 80,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points are worth about $1,650. And of course that varies depending on how you use it, whether you use it to cash back or whether you use it for transfer partners. It varies. So that's like a round trip to Europe. You could fly first class anywhere within the US pretty much. It's a nice 2 to 3 night stay in a beautiful hotel, or a nice week-long stay in a not-so-beautiful hotel. Whatever way you want to spend it, it's worth around $1,650. So there's a lot of things you could use with that money or those points that you get after the sign-up bonus. To give you another perspective is that the normal sign-up bonus is 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in 3 months. And yes, this is one of Chase's highest sign-up offers for this card, so make sure you don't sleep on it. Get it while it's hot. I know it was here late last year, and it went away, but now it's back again. I'm not sure if they're going to bring this back again once it leaves again. So get it while it's hot. As I mentioned earlier, the points are usually worth around 2 cents if you transfer it out to the transfer partners. And Chase does have a nice list of transfer partners, both hotel and airline. So be sure to take a look at those, because if you want to make the most of your points or the most of your money, then you might want to use it at one of these transfer partners. Or if you just want to use the points for regular travel through the Chase portal, it's worth around 1.25 cents, so not as much as 2, but it's still better than the normal 1 cent, which is what you'll get if you use the points for cash back. Going back to the Chase Ultimate Reward points, usually if you transfer it out to a partner, 1 Ultimate Reward point is usually worth 1 hotel point or 1 mile to the transfer partner. So 10,000 points equals 10,000 miles, 10,000 points equals 10,000 hotel points. You get the idea. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, you do get a 25% more redemption value when you're using these points. So normally if you were to buy travel or book travel with the points, it would be 1 cent. But since you have the Preferred Card, you'll get the extra 0.25 cents on your redemption. So this card makes it really great if you already have like a cashback Chase card like the Freedom Unlimited or the Freedom Flex, because those don't gather ultimate reward points. But if you pair it with a Chase Sapphire Preferred Card or even the Reserved Card, you are able to transfer those cashback points or regular Chase points into the Chase Ultimate Reward points, which then you could get the 25% redemption value on, use it at the transfer partners for travel, book travel through the portal, and there's a lot more flexibility to it than just having cash back for the Chase Freedom Unlimited or Chase Freedom Flex cards. So if you have one of those cashback cards or non-point earning Chase cards, then this Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is going to be like the Wombo Combo. It's going to be like the new meta. It's a great combination if you combine the Preferred Card with one of the cashback cards from Chase. With everything that's going on in the world with the pandemic, Chase has offered the Pay Yourself Back program, which lets you use the reward points to pay yourself back and cancel out transactions like dining, grocery stores, home improvement stores at a 1.25 cents per point ratio. And this program is going on until September 2021 unless it is changed otherwise. But this is really great because if you buy food at the grocery store, or if you go out and eat and you're not traveling, so you don't want to use those points for travel, you could actually use it to basically cancel out those transactions you did at the grocery stores to get free dinner or a free lunch, and basically use those points for stuff that you'll use every day during the pandemic or around this time. Now, how do you earn points? So the card does have 2x points on dining and 2x points on travel. And the travel does not just include airline tickets, but a bunch of different options as well, which is nice because it's more flexible and you could use it more often. Other benefits of this card are the 25% redemption value and pay yourself back program that I mentioned earlier. It has no foreign transaction fee. It comes with a free 1-year subscription to Dash Pass. You get 5x points back on Lyft rides until March 2022, unless otherwise changed. And you get up to $60 back on Peloton membership for the app until 12/31/2021, unless otherwise changed again. And the last benefit that I talked about earlier already is that the Chase Ultimate Reward points can be transferred into the transfer partner points at a 1-to-1 ratio. Some benefits do need to be activated in the Chase portal, so be sure to do that before you go out and start using it. Some other perks are travel insurance and also purchase insurance, which you may need to use more often than you don't, and it's always good to have. It does come in handy, and it's a $95 card, so it's pretty great that it comes with such protection. A few caveats though about the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is, one, you can't have the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Reserved card. You could either have one or the other. So if you already have the Reserved, you could think about downgrading it into the Preferred, but you basically can't have two. You also want to keep in mind the 5 out of 24 card rule that Chase has, which basically means if you got 5 credit cards within the past 2 years, you will not be able to apply and get accepted for another Chase credit card. And another little rule to keep in mind is the 1 out of 48 rule, which means you can only get the Chase sign-up bonus once every 4 years. So all this was just for $95 a year, and actually if you go into the Chase Bank physically, you are able to negotiate with people there and even get the first year waived. So you have a whole year of a free credit card, and then from the second year, you'll start paying the $95 annual fee. But even if you start paying $95 off of year 1, it's still a great card. It's a great beginner traveler card or a beginner rewards card. It's honestly a really solid pick, especially if you're just starting out. Looks cool, it's a metal card, it's got contactless payment, like you can't go wrong with it. So if you're looking for a card to gather points for travel that also has low annual fees and decent benefits, then this is going to be your go-to card. Especially if you already have Chase cards right now that gather cashback points, because again, you'll just pair it up with this card and change those cashback points into ultimate reward points to get even more value. So if you're on the fence before this video, hopefully I convinced you to actually pull the trigger and get this card, especially right now because the sign-up bonus is great and I don't know how long it's going to last for. If you like credit cards, click the like button please. It will help me out a lot, and every time you click it, you get 1 Chase Ultimate Reward point. Possibly, maybe not. Or you can hit that subscribe button too, because we do shameless plugs on this channel, at least right now. We're testing it out. And thank you so much for watching. Okay, love you. Bye.